Okay, so we're gonna start soften the butter in the microwave. I'm gonna put it into this mixing bowl. I'm using this paddle, but it has a bit of pastry on it, but I've made a previous shortbread, so it doesn't matter. We're gonna mix this 500 gram of butter with 375 caster sugar, and we're gonna blitz it until nice and pale. Then here we have our plain flour, 750 gram, and 5 yolks, or 100 gram of yolk. We need to get ready our cocoa powder. We will need 20 gram only. All right. A little bit of vanilla extract. So nice and fluffy and white. So we're gonna add our egg yolk. All right, yolks in. Little pinch of flour, of salt in the flour. Let's put all our flour. Mix it gently now. All right, so it's well combined. Well combined, so that's good. So we have 1,725 gram of dough. We're gonna divide it in two to make the vanilla, to keep the vanilla part and turn the other half into chocolate. So this amount divides in two. We need 860 gram. There you go. So the remaining half, I add my 20 gram of cocoa powder. Give it an extra mix. Voila. There you go. There's chocolate. So we got the vanilla and the chocolate. So right, to roll it, between two same parchment paper, same size. First, we're gonna roll our vanilla. Spread it as much as you can first with your finger. Parchment paper on top. And let's roll it. So now we need the same thickness for both, right? And all over the same thickness. So I'm gonna use two racks on each side. So my rollers sit on each rack. So it creates the same thickness. There you go. So I want something a bit more square than that. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit of the edge here. collect half of it to finish that corner here. Same here. So I want something quite square, right? Here and there. Work it out with your finger. Let's put the paper back. There you go. We have something a bit more square. Okay, turn for the chocolate. Right, so that's the tricky part. We really want the same. This one will go in this corner. This one, this corner. Here, it's that much to come off. Little bit here. Little bit here and along the side to make it a bit wider. Let's see what does that do. Okay, let's see. Let's compare it. Not too bad. Width-wise, yeah, it's about the same. It's about the same. I think we're good. We're gonna let them take a bit of cold before adding them together. Right, okie dokie. So those are cold now. I'm just gonna slide the vanilla here. Because it's cold now, we're gonna be able just to turn it around. And slide it to stick the edge here. Edge to edge, keep it straight, and slide your rack out. There you go. I'm nearly there. Doesn't matter. Got lots of vanilla here on the edge. It's okay. So what we can do, actually, we're just gonna remove a little bit of chocolate here from the top. Okay, which can be placed over here. There. Let's get that edge of the vanilla straight. So that little edge is gonna come and do the first round for the roll. It's coming on top like that. And then we're gonna roll it a bit more. With the help of the paper, nice and tight. Until all the way. There you go. So we have a beautiful sausage. We're gonna let cool down the sausage in the fridge and be able to cut it. There you go, this is cold now. I'm gonna be able to slice it. So I'm gonna remove the first, make it a very nice slice. And I'm gonna cut like maybe a centimeter thick. How cute is this? That's very good. So I'm just gonna bake six little shortbread. I'm gonna bake it. The rest, I'm gonna cut it like that and freeze it flat. So then I can take some out of the freezer, bake it fresh the day I want. Little prep, little mise en place. So 170 until nice and golden. Oh, the sablé already. Very nice. They smell delicious. Look at this. A light golden color, it's enough. Very, very lovely. So let them cool down, yeah? And we're gonna eat one. That's it, guys. Little sablé. Lovely. I know, it's a very nice shortbread. It melts in your mouth, it's really good. I always said that for sablé. But because I don't like the dry sablé which you have to chew and chew, this one is really good. And you have vanilla contrast, chocolate contrast, and it looks really cool. That's it, guys. Enjoy.